What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to get that potato filter app on Zoom. Go to Google, type in Snap Camera app. Once you click that in, it should be the first link, most likely. Click that, you should come up to a page like this, and then click download. And then you're going to come to a page like this. Check your computer requirements, system specifications, read the agreement as usual, scroll through it, and if you agree, click it, type in your email. You're not a robot. If you are, then I'm sorry. Either for Mac or PC. Pick whichever one you're on. I'm on a Mac, so I did Mac. I already have the app downloaded, so it looks like this. Has a bunch of filters. This is a potato one that kind of made it popular. Just click through and see which one you want. Just mess around with it. There's so many different filters on here. It's kind of like Snapchat and stuff. There's a pickle, happy faces, and there's just a lot of different ones. I was just messing around with them and seeing what they had. But basically, just there's different categories. It seems like they're updating a lot on the daily. But the main thing is just find a filter you like, and let's go to Zoom and then see how that's going and how you're gonna add this to Zoom. So after you find a filter you like, after messing around with the VR, so go to your Zoom app, open that. Go to settings, and then go down to virtual background. If you haven't seen how to change your virtual background, I have another video on that. You can check that out. So my Snap Camera app, I had to filter the potato, and then it's linked up over here. Oh, get it. Here's my different backgrounds that are downloaded, uploaded on. You can just change it. Oh, potato can breathe out of space. Oh no. Uh-oh. No. Oh, back to reality. But basically that's how you change your backgrounds virtually, and that's how you get your filters. So whatever filter you change on the app will change on here before your meeting starts. You can also change this probably during your meeting also, but it would be better to get it set up before. How to go back, go to Snap Camera app, unclick the filter you click, and you should go revert back to normal. Even when you click none, it won't go, so you have to go to the Snap Camera app to do it. There you go. That's how you have it. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace. Potato out.